You see, I had to do the head back like this. What is hypercare in project management? Family, I'm going to do two things for you. First, we're going to outline what is hypercare. And then I'm going to give you my framework of when I'm leading a implementation project. Some of the things I'm not going to cover everything in here, but I want to give you some high level steps to help and encourage you if you ever have to make an implementation on something and you have to leverage hypercare. So first, let's unpack what is hypercare. So basically, hypercare is the ideology. Okay, I won't know. I'm just messing with. Yeah, hypercare is the ideology of being able to provide uh, support when, let's say, in for my case, I'm using implementation. Let's say we have something that's being implemented that's going to go live. Hypercare is to be able to be the pre and post support. So pre meaning that before we get ready to make a decision if we're gonna do this or not, let's look at everything again, go over everything. Okay, cool, everything looks good. All right, bet, let's go. Now post is everything when everything implemented. All right, let's see if we have any issues coming out of the implementation that actually occurs. So again, hypercare from a high level is being able to build systems and processes to support the implementation that you are actually implementing, if that makes any sense. That's a lot of words there. All right, let me give you guys my framework of how I look at when I get ready to do a hypercare. First of all, I document all of the go live activities. So I get